This is our part 10. This is the last part of my business loan application journey. Okay. There are five takeaways that I can share. Maybe some of them I've learned, but some of them we've done already. The first thing when you're applying for any type of business loan, real estate, number one, you need to make sure you have an updated profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and also your tax returns are all updated. Why am I saying that? Because they don't accept just the tax return that you prepared. They need to have record to they need to get that record directly from the Internal Revenue Service. But the problem, when you submit your return on January, the IRS will not have that record available on their website after 3 or 6 months. Okay, so if you haven't filed your 2018 or any past returns, you need to do it now if you're planning to apply for the loan in the next 6 months. The next, if you have a business partners on the company that own more than 20%, you need to remind them to prepare all their financial documents because they personal, not just the business, the personal financial statements, they will also be asked by the underwriter. Then number three, you have to take care of those that takes time. For example, you lost the copy of your life insurance policy. You need to coordinate again collateral assignment. Then you need to coordinate with your loan, with your insurance agent to give you the original copy because they will require that. It takes 10 to 15 days. This is what's holding us back. Then number four, it's the signature original. Uh, I thought they will accept electronic signature, but apparently not. You need to print. They're still traditional. They want you to sign it manually, scan it back to them. And then number one, lastly, of course, the buyer-seller agreement. Like you talk to your buyer, to your seller, what you really come out with the price. So therefore, because when you have the buyer-seller agreement, at least it smoothen the process of projections. How much would be needing the amount of loan that you'll be asking. I think build a good relationship with your seller because everything will be easier when the buyer and seller are on the same page. Again, guys, I hope you learned something. I know we have 10 parts. If you haven't watched the previous video on my journey for this loan application, watch it and then click share and subscribe. Then if you're having a hard time doing your tax and bookkeeping, we are here to help. Stay safe.